Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting video because we are doing a thrift flipping styling video just with blazers. I did a Goodwill haul probably about 2 years ago on my channel, but I have not done a thrift flipping haul. I thought this would be a cool and interesting way just to kind of show you guys how you can go to a thrift store and basically buy anything and flip it, okay? But today we're just specifically doing blazers because the fall is coming up, and yeah, we're gonna get into the season. So I'm just gonna give you some tips and tricks on how you can dress your blazers up for the fall. I hope that you guys enjoy this. Again, this is kind of like my first video, so I think I have the concept down pat. Okay, if I don't, I'll get it right the next time. Okay, keep in mind that all the blazers that are shown today are from Goodwill. Anything extra that I add to it, I'm gonna tell you where it's from. I'm gonna try and link it in the description box. If there's no link, that means it's not available anymore, it's sold out, I can't find it, or whatever. You know, some of the styling videos that I have on my channel, more so just to kind of help you save money so you're not constantly buying. If you are new here, hey girl, I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, majority fashion. So if you like what you see, you like my vibe, my personality, whatever, okay, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video, as well as follow your girl at iDESIGN8 on Instagram so you can catch some of my fashion posts over there. I do lives, I do life updates on my stories and things like that. So yeah, go ahead and follow me over there. Enough rambling, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. I recently went to the Goodwill store here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I was so in love with all these blazers that I've seen. I was like, yes, they're great quality. The colors are popping for the fall. You coming home with me, baby. Okay, you coming home. So this is the first. Baby, I did that with this outfit, and if you don't like it, use a hater, okay? I don't care what nobody say or whatever, because I did that. Somebody in the comments gonna be like, no, I just don't like it. I ain't hating on you. I just don't. Okay, sis, that's fine. But anyway, so this is the first blazer that I got, which is this red blazer. It has, I mean, sis, we giving shoulder, okay? We giving shoulder for days. Like, look how, okay, it is thick, broad, okay? Broad, where broad here. And I love it. You know, I remember a time where I just could not stand shoulder pads. Now I just like, does it got shoulder pads? All right, it's mine. Like, it got to have shoulder pads. All these blazers that I'm gonna style, they're just gonna be very stylish. So if this is not your style, sis, I completely understand. I won't call you a hater. I'm just saying, I completely understand that some people don't like a lot of skin showing, and that's fine. All right, so here's a blazer. I'm gonna step back and I'm gonna give you the details of the outfit and what I did. I already had this outfit on, but the other ones you're gonna actually see me, like, you know, put it together. Step back on the girls. Wow, sis. If we not giving looks, I don't know. This is not a necklace, you guys. This is actually a chain from a purse, and I literally just took it, and I'll just show you right now. I literally just took it, put it around my neck, crossed it over, and then looped it back in. Hopefully all that made sense. And then I kind of put the knot right here to my liking, so I kind of want it a little bit down. So that's where I want it. I take this portion and I just drop it in, and sis, there's your necklace, okay, period. So I took this oversized belt, any belt will do, and I just put that on. Now this skirt I got from Missguided. You can take any type of skirt. You can do an all black skirt, you can do a white skirt. What I would do is just add perspex heels to it. You don't have to do much, and you can also add just a perspex bag. Literally you can find a perspex bag from anywhere, but I do recommend Shein because they do have a lot of affordable bags and just of different styles. I'm stepping back, and you can see I have the perspex heels on, the perspex bag, you got the perspex belt, so everything is flowing, but it's not doing too much in my opinion. I got a lot of these blazers that are the same style with just different colors. This is from Sag Harbor. So this is a size 14 blazer. As you can see, it's the same style as this. It does have like these thick shoulder pads in it. Very, very gorgeous quality blazer. Like, I am so surprised that they were giving up. Make sure you get your hands on this real quick, fast, in a hurry, or whatever, because I just did a Shein haul, and these next two items are from Shein. But anyway, so I'm gonna add this little bathing suit top. If you watch my Shein haul, you already know the tea on this, but I'm gonna add this little white top here, and then I'm gonna add these boyfriend like type of jeans here. I love having a crop top with like mom jeans or boyfriend style jeans with a blazer. It just gives you another type of look that you ain't never had before, sis. Okay, all right guys, so I have on the top and the boyfriend jeans. Let me just step back before I actually put on the blazer. I really love these jeans. I just got them from Shein. I was raving about these jeans in my Shein haul. Check that out if you have not already. So I'm just gonna throw this on with this. If you want to do a darker wash, you can. It's completely up to you. And like you can already see just the look that it's giving you. It's very effortless. So I'm gonna do the Perspex heels. You can definitely do any heel of your choice. You can also just do like maybe a strappy sandal, you know what I mean? Something that's not doing too much. I got this purse from my mom like so many years ago. She probably had this purse for about like 20 years. You can definitely go to Goodwill or any thrift store and just literally find purses like this. Feel like a little crossbody with this, because we styling for the girls, okay? Like we giving them looks today, honey. I just did this one little necklace. You can layer the necklaces. Stepping back, bam. I hope y'all can see me. Effortless. It's not like you try too hard, and it's very simple. You know what I mean? Like it's simple, but it's effective. It's straight to the point. So you can do a darker wash with it. You can do all black with it. You can literally play around with it. So really cute and casual. Bam. Alright you guys, so here's the next look that we're going to do with the blazer. Let me show you the blazer really quick. So here's the blazer, which is actually the same blazer as the last two, I think. Like somebody just had like a lot of these blazers in different colors and they were like, hey, we don't want them no more. So yes, I love this color for the fall. You guys know it's make me like a cup of coffee with caramel and milk, sis. Okay, but anyway, no, so we're still doing just jeans or whatever, but we're gonna take away the top. I'm gonna throw it with this darker wash and then also this belt. It kind of has like these little pearl details on it. I don't know if you can see it or not. It actually came from my boutique. Again, it's no longer available. I'm so sorry about that. I actually kind of hate showing you guys things like that's not available, but I know that these videos are sometimes helpful for people because not everybody's looking to just buy new stuff all the time. Alright you guys, so here is the next look. Again, it's just this oversized blazer that I showed you. You can just see like just how the blazer looks on me. The same exact jeans as the last one, just in a darker wash. I added some necklaces from my boutique, just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of layer and everything, since we're not doing like a crossbody bag with this. Always remember you guys, like if you're adding a belt because the item is too big, for example like a blazer, you want to make sure that you're like tucking, you know, in the back or whatever, just smoothing everything out, pulling down. This hair is in the way, so it's so hard, like pulling down and then tucking this way. So this could be a whole look, sis. Like I think I like this one better. Stepping in, period. Baby, wow. Alright sis, and the last look that we have here is this blazer. I'm just gonna wear all black underneath it. Like if you literally cannot find anything else to wear with your blazers, all black really does the trick. So I'm gonna do this black bodycon bodysuit that I got from JLuxLabel, and I'm just gonna do these faux leather pants that I got from Shein. So we're gonna make this into a whole look, sis. All right, so here's the last outfit, and like look at this whole look, like just stepping back already, just all black is so nice under blazers. All right you guys, so I actually changed my mind. I'm going to take this like belt bag right here that I got from Boohoo, and I am just going to add that to this. I think it's going to give a very nice look, especially for the fall. I kind of want like a bigger look, so I'm just going to kind of like pull to the front a little bit so I can get that like flare look. We're going to add some heels, but you can add like sneakers, flats, or whatever you want. I'm just a heel girl, so I always add heels to my outfits. I'm just going to throw on these Perspex mules. They are black and the heel is not high at all. Bam. So I'm going to step back. Our whole little look or whatever. Super cute. So that completes all the looks. Just remember, you guys, like I said, I showed you a lot of just outfit ideas that you can do. You can completely mix and match all of everything that I showed you today. Like if you wanted to add jeans to this, you wanted to take away the top, you wanted to show some skin, you wanted to do an oversized belt, you maybe wanted to add a purse, it's completely up to you. And that's what I really like, that you can just play around with blazers. You can make it very sexy, but you can also make it classy, you know, and appropriate for your work setting as well. So I'm always a big fan of blazers, and blazers are literally like my favorite thing to wear in the fall. And also, don't be afraid to just add accessories. A lot of these outfits that I showed you today are extremely basic, girl, okay? So it's just like play around with it, see what's going to work and fit you best, and you know what's going to make you the most comfortable. Alright, Design Squad, so that completes this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this, and if you want to see more thrift flipping hauls, it does help me a lot. Leave me comments down below letting me know what was your favorite look or your favorite item in this haul or whatever. You know, I love interacting with you guys in the comment section. But thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, wear your mask, okay?